turn your smartphone into a money-making machine. Hey guys, welcome to the channel. In today's video, I'm here to teach you how to turn your smartphone into a money-making machine. Well, maybe you're just looking for an extra way to make extra cash, or maybe a side hustle. This is the right video for you. All you need to know, the phone has it all. So without wasting much of your time, let's get into it. 1. Freelancing. There are tons of freelancing platforms that allows you to offer services right from your phone. Whether you're good at graphic design, writing, or even virtual assistance, apps like Fiverr, Upwork, and Freelancer connect you with clients worldwide. Tips: set up a clear professional profile. Start with small gigs to build reputation. Take advantage of free tools like Canva for design and Grammarly for writing. 2. Online survey and micro tags. If you want something simpler, online survey and micro tags can be a good start. Apps like Swagbucks, Google Opinion Rewards, Inbox Dollars pay you for doing survey, watching videos, and completing small tasks. It won't make you rich, but it's easy to make money. Make sure to focus on apps with high reputation to avoid scams. 3. Selling photos and videos. Did you know that your photos could be worth money? If you got eye for photography, you can sell your smartphone's photos on platforms like Swap, just snap a high quality picture, upload it, and earn money each time someone downloads it. Tips: upload diverse photos to increase your chance of making sales. 4. Social media content creation. One of the most popular ways to make money with your phone is social media. Whether it's creating TikTok videos, starting a YouTube channel, or becoming an Instagram influencer, you can monetize your content through ad sponsorship and affiliated marketing. Tips: stay consistent, post regular, engage with your followers, and create content that solves problems or entertains. Once you have the decent following, you can start looking for brand deals and collaborations. 5. Selling product or services. If you have something to sell, whether it's a handmade craft, second-hand items, or even digital products, you can easily set up a shop right from your phone. Use platforms like eBay and Jumia to list your items and start selling. Tips: take clear, high-quality photos of your product to attract more buyers. Well, there you have it. These are some 5 legit ways that you can make money right from your phone in the comfort of your home. And if this video was helpful, please like and subscribe to the channel as a way of supporting my channel. Till we meet in another video, I'm still your boy Andy Final. Please watch my next video that will be suggested to you.